Good morning, student of class 5. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise question answer of chapter 2, which is types of software. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the content page of this chapter, software and its types, application software and system software. I already have discussed about this topic, and as all of you know that I would provide all the question answer as a PDF. You can easily download the PDF from YouTube and also write the question answer on your computer, copy exercise question answer and inside question answer both on your computer, copy from the PDF, and also learn the question answer from each and every chapter. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see, let's revise. Before going to question answer section, we can take a quick review of this chapter. So number one is software. What is software? A software is a set of programs that controls the operation of a computer system and its device. That means software is a set of a program, okay, that controls all the operation of a computer, all the operation, that means all the processing which have done by a computer, all the processing controlled by the software. Okay, next is a software required to run and maintain the basic components of a computer is called system software. That means a software required to run and maintain the basic components of a computer is called a system software. For example, operating system is a system software, and operating system maintain the basic components of a computer. Okay, next is an operating system is a software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. That means operating system mainly work to interpret between the user and the hardware. Okay, next is device driver software helps the operating system communicate with the computer accessories. Okay, device driver is used to operate, helps the operating system to communicate with the computer accessories. Next is a computer system understand only the machine language or binary language, also known as low level language. That means the machine language or binary language known as low level language. Okay, next is an application software is a set of a program to carry out a specific task. For example, word processor, spreadsheet, presentation tool, library management software, railway reservation software and antivirus software. These are the example of application software. Next is general application software. It is designed for a day-to-day application and uses. Next is specific purpose application software is customized software developed for a specific task. All these topics I already have discussed in my previous video. Okay, so let's go to the question answer section. Here you can see first question. First is a fill in the blanks. Question number A is fill in the blanks. So dash is the example of an operating system. Windows is an example of operating system. We all know that Windows, Linux, Mac, these are all the example of operating system. Next is real-time operating system are commonly found and used in robotics and common multimedia animation. So fill in the blanks number 2 is robotics and common multimedia animation. Next is low level language is extremely difficult to learn. Low level language means machine level language or binary language. Okay, it's so difficult to learn. Next is the interpreter converts the high level language program into machine level language line by line. Okay, the interpreter converts machine level language to high level language line by line. Okay, next is some example of word processing software are MS Word and Writer. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks following this chapter. Next is write the true false for each statement. That means which statement is correct, we write there true, and this statement is, if the statement is incorrect, we write there false. Okay, so number one is we required utility softwares to keep our computer efficient and trouble free. So this statement is correct. So we write here true. We absolutely required utility softwares to keep our computer efficient and trouble free. Next is question number 2, true false true. Disk defragmentation utility software speed up working on the computer. This statement is also correct, so we write here true. Next, question number 3 is you cannot control the entry of any unwanted program into the computer system. This statement is incorrect. We can control the entry of any unwanted program in the computer system by using any protective software, antivirus. Okay, so this statement is incorrect, so we write it false. Next is a presentation tool is a general purpose application software. This statement is true, so we write here true. Next is MS-DOS is a common example of multi-user operating system. No, MS-DOS is single-user operating system. Okay, MS-DOS is a common example of single-user operating system. So this statement is incorrect. We write here false. So these are the true false for following this chapter. Next is question answer section. Answer the following question. First is what is a software? Give example. We all know that a set of a program that control all the operation of a computer system and its device is called as software. Example Windows is system software and MS Word is a example of application software. Next is question number 2. Explain the major categories of software in brief. Okay, explain the major categories of software in brief. Answer of this question is not given here because this question is very big. You need to write this question from your book. Okay, all the major categories you need to write all the major categories of software like application software, general purpose software, system software. Okay, all of this software need to be written for this question answer. Okay, in brief. So next question is explain any 4 function of an operating system. Here is you can see the main 4 function of operating system is allowing communication between hardware and attached device. Next is managing the different types of memories of the computer, providing user interface, managing the various program present in our computer. These are the function of an operating system. I already have discussed in my previous video. Next is write a short note about real-time operating system. Real-time respond instantly to inputs. Real-time operating system are commonly found and used in robotics and complex multimedia. Linux, Windows C are some example of operating system. So this is a short note about real-time operating system. Next is device driver. We all know that computer accessories like printer, scanner, web camera come with their own softwares. These software are called device driver software. This device driver software helps us to operating system communicate with the computer accessories. Okay. Next is assembler. The language processor translate a program written in assembly language into machine language. That means the assembler is used to convert the language, assembly language, into machine language. Okay. Next is multi-user operating system. It is allowed 2 or more users to run the program at the same time on a single computer. Here you can see the example. Unix, Linux, Windows are the example of multi-user based operating system. Next is what is the difference between interpreter and compiler. Here you can see compiler converts high level language into machine level language in one go. Okay, next is interpreter converts the high level language into machine language line by line. Okay, the main difference is compiler converts in one go and interpreter converts line by line. Okay, program in line by line. So this is the main difference between compiler and interpreter. Next is the matching. Column A, column B. Linux, we all know that Linux is an operating system. Next is question number matching number 2. Word processor. Word processor is a writer. Impress presentation tool. Next is high level language is Java. Binary language is low level language. Okay, these are the matching from your book. Okay, so all of you need to write this question answer on your computer copy and also need to learn all this question answer, and I already have provided to you inside question answer from this chapter. Here you can see the inside question answer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the homework 8 to 13 question, and total number of question is inside question answer is 20. Okay, total number of inside question is 20, and I already discuss about the exercise question answer today. So all of you need to write this question answer from the from chapter 2, and also write the learn the question answer. Okay, so I am ending my discussion here. I will start a new chapter in my next video. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.